back to my channel, and today my husband going to prepare cranberry juice, right? So how much you need to make cranberry juice?
Well, it's not really juice. It's called morse. It's kind of like a, I don't know how to say it.
What it's called?
Morse.
Okay, it's a Russian thing.
Yes. So I got about 600 grams of cranberries. So fresh, not frozen.
Okay.
Very sour.
Kitchen is not very clean, guys, because we are making lots of stuff, so ignore the unnecessary stuff. Extremely fresh cranberries. I have a dirty pots, there, which we need to clean, but he wanted to make this first, so I was like, okay, I will clean later.
It'd be probably nice to get a some kind of wooden stick or something. Maybe easier to do it.
Ah, lots of power you using, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty hard berries. So that's what you do. You just gotta squeeze juice out of them.
Yeah, now it's working out. So that's how you need to do the entire process to get the juice out of that, and then I will show you that what he going to do the next. How much water?
3 liters.
So you're just using the pulp from the cranberries.
Yeah. So after you crushed all the cranberries, put this crushed pulp in a pot and cover it with 3 liters of water.
Okay. So we just added 300 grams of sugar here. As I said, we are using Splenda, so we don't need to add 400 grams. But if you are using normal sugar, then you can add 400 grams.
I had 300 grams.
Then how long it need to be?
Needs to get to the boiling point, and after it boils, you need to boil for around 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So let's cover it a little bit. Work faster. Now we play the waiting.
This is the cranberry what, baby? What you said?
Morse.
Morse. So it's really very tasty. I tried it. If you like the recipe, you can also try at home. And now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.